Hi, Ed Akehurst back with another Genius Pages tutorial. This time we're going to talk about adding teams and testimonials. And the reason I've put these in the same video is they run very similar. They're almost identical. Let's start with teams. If you go to teams, these are people that work on your staff and things like that. And you can see we have different options, 3 across, 2 rows of 3. Here's some with descriptions and icons down below. And they all work basically the same. Let's just drag that one over there. We'll get rid of that so they're side by side. And you edit just normally. There's your main, there's your description, there's your image, and they are the same. These are circles. You get the circles by doing radiuses of 50 all the way around. You can add borders. You can make them link out to their page or another page on the site about them. You can change the image, just like everything else that you could normally have edited or added. So we'll go ahead and get rid of that block. We don't need that. And then if you have one that is a little different, that has the icons, of course, the only thing that's going to change there is you're going to also be able to edit the icons just like you can inside the video that we did on editing and adding icons. And then let's go to testimonials because they're exactly the same the way that you use them and edit them. The only caveat that I want to give with testimonials is it's illegal to put fake testimonials up. So don't do it, okay? You can put testimonials up. Depending what industry you may or may not need their permission. I would get it no matter what. It's just better to do. And then this is just like anything else. You've got your padding style. You've got background images, none, but that section's editable. You can edit the text in there. You can edit the picture just like you would. You can edit that. So testimonials work just like anything else. You're just editing the little components, but do be careful with testimonials that 1, they're honest and legitimate. 2, you have permission from the people to use them. Those are the 2 big caveats. And that's it for adding teams and testimonials. I will see you in another video.